Remarkable pair. They're called Grossen.
I'm not surprised.
Two of the world's top agents, but unfortunately, they work for the other side.
What, the BBC?
A certain Eastern power who shall be nameless.
Ah, Russia.
They have in their possession the entire plan of the next NATO exercise. A microfilm no bigger than a postage stamp.
Well, how do you read it?
You lick it and stick it on your eyeball. Get it back before it falls into the hands of... you know who.
Russia.
He keeps it in a snuff box.
A snuff box?
A small, anti-magnetic, bulletproof silver snuff box. Now, he knows what you look like, but being a master of disguise, I'm sure that won't worry you, Mervyn.
Ha, ha, ha. Skipper, sounds to me like a job for... old Ben Ahmed.
Good night, sir. Good night, Mervyn.
I'm giving you an assistant.
I don't need an assistant. I don't need an assistant. I need an assistant. I need an assistant. And here I Ja? Glasses? Oh, God's sake. Snuff box. No, snuff box. Come on, Got it. But I know you. I think you're crazy, man. I think you because you. It's you. Oh, I like it. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I feel that. Look at that. I'll be back. All right. I'll let you know. Yeah. One, two, three. Oh, Baron. Oh, look at the Baron. It's a lovely outfit he's got on. It's marvellous. I think one of the best things he's ever worn. It's like lovely. It really is. It's so realistic. The costume and look at that. I mean, even the shape of you. I mean, look at
Ich liebe dich.
Let's see. Shut him. Right. Hold on, sir. Get the snuff box. Get the snuff box. What do you want to get you? Get it now. Get this stuff. Oh, get it on. Oh, get it. Oh, poo.
Dear little snuff box that came from the future this time. Do you want to know what the friends are?
I just hold it for the late.
How did you make out, Mervyn?
I was too smart for that pair, Skipper.
Hand it over!
You don't think I'd carry it about on my person, do you?
Search him thoroughly.
Search him? Oh, why waste time? I'm sure he hasn't got it on him.
Well, you can't be sure, can you? I mean, you don't know that till you have a little ferret about something. I mean, you don't...
Oh,
I might have it.
very well.
I might have it on me right now. I mean, I might.
Nothing there?
Thank you very much.
The little one.
Oh.
I think they're trying to say something.
The swines, what have they done to you?
Hey,
what have they done to you?
I'll get a light. Hey, just a minute. This is not nice of you, that kid. It's this bloody snuff box. Hey, come back! Hey, Robert! Come here!